Hey, what's happening guys? Welcome to this video. So a couple weeks ago, DJI made a pretty huge announcement that I could not be more stoked about. And that is the release of the Mavic Air 2. Just kidding, it's not really in here, but I hate how dramatic this box is. When I first got it, I was so excited to see it, and there's literally no way to speed up this process. You just have to sit here and wait for the drone to come out. Anyways, I've spent the past couple days flying this drone, and I could not be more impressed. I first want to start off this video by saying this drone here, the Mavic 2 Pro, in my opinion, is one of the craziest pieces of camera equipment ever produced. It's a flying 4K 10-bit drone that flies like 8,000 meters away from you and is literally the size of a water bottle. If you would have told anyone that this drone exists for consumers 10 years ago, they definitely wouldn't have believed you. There's absolutely nothing out there that compares to this, and since it was released, I haven't traveled anywhere without it. Until now. I never thought in a million years I'd be saying this, but I think I'm going to sell it. And the only reason for that is because of the Mavic Air 2. Now there's a ton of reasons why I think I'm going to be selling this and just going with the Mavic Air, and I'm going to be diving into that a lot deeper in future videos. But right off the bat, I wanted to do a quick comparison side-by-side video of the footage, because for the Mavic 2, that is one of the massive selling points. The Mavic 1, the image quality was okay, but the Mavic 2 Pro was a massive jump up. So one of the things I was most interested in testing when they announced the Air is the image quality. So I am going to climb out my window and fly this little robot here about 2 miles away from my house to this really beautiful spot and compare the footage to some that I shot in the Mavic 2 Pro a few months ago. The fact that I'm even saying that casually is just like so weird. But anyways, let's do it. I really shouldn't be doing that with my drones. That is probably why I'm on bay number 7. Actually bay number 8 now. Anyways, let's go. Yo guys, quick little editor's note as I'm sitting here editing this. So before I throw in the Mavic 2 Pro footage, just want to note that it's shot in different times of day. The Mavic 2 Pro was shot at sunset, and I had to shoot the Mavic Air stuff at sunrise just because it's been super rainy in the afternoons here for the past few days. But it's similar enough where I figured you could still get a sense of the video quality. So just wanted to leave that in there. Let's get back to the footage.